Hey everybody, welcome back to Minta. This is Eric, and in today's video we're going to cover the My Projects page. The My Projects page allows you to organize everything you're working on within the Minta platform. The page is built from multiple folders, and you can always create your own folder, and we're going to talk about it in a minute. You can go to any folder by clicking on it. I'm going to start by clicking the Start folder. This folder is going to show me all the videos that I started while browsing Minta. As you can see, 3 of these videos are for the latest product use case, and one of them is for the bestseller, and all of them are for the portrait ratio. If I'm going to head over to the homepage and then start this one, then go back to my projects page, start, now this video template shows up in here. You can choose any of the videos to preview them. You can also unmute it. I'm going to keep it muted. You can also edit the video by clicking the edit button. It's going to open the Minta editor. This is not a video about the Minta editor. If you wish to learn more about the Minta video editor, just click the help video button at the top of the editor. I'm just going to close the editor for now. You can also share your start designs by clicking the share button. There are multiple options here, but I'm not going to cover the sharing settings for Minta in this video. If you want to learn more about the sharing options, just click the help video button at the top of this section. I'm just going to close it for now. Going back to my folders, the recent folder is going to show me all the latest video templates that I've seen on Minta. Doesn't matter if I edit them or not. I'm just going to go back to my projects page. The published folder is going to show me all the videos that are already shared on social media, either manually or through the Minta auto poster that we're going to cover in another video. I'm going to go back. The draft section is going to show me all the videos that I worked on in some way using the Minta editor, but still didn't publish them to social media. The My Upload folder is going to show me all the files that are already uploaded to Minta. You can always click the Upload Media button in here. You have 3 options in here: either upload files from your device, you can connect your Facebook account to get files from your Facebook account, and you can connect your Google Drive, which I'm going to show you in a second. You can always create your own folder. So let's do that. Let's say that I have 2 products that I want to promote. One is my other app called Reconvert, and the second one is a t-shirt. So I'm just going to create a folder for that. I'm going to go into my folder. For each folder that you create, you can either choose a creative from here, or you can just upload your own. For the sake of the example, I'm just going to upload my own, and I'm going to connect my Google Drive. Since my Google Drive is already connected, I'm just going to find my relevant folder, which is product images. I'm going to go in the folder. As you can see, in the folder, I have 3 different folders, but as I mentioned, I only want the t-shirt and I want the Reconvert app. I'm going to hit select and I'm going to upload all files. Great. These are all my files. I can always upload some more media if I choose to. Now, if I go back to my projects page and go to my uploads, all the files that uploaded through my other folders are going to show up in here as well. This is it, guys. This is everything you need to know about the My Projects page. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment them in the comment section below, and I promise we will answer each and every one of you. And if you need any help, please make sure to reach out to our live chat support at the bottom right corner of the screen. We are available for you 24/7. Good luck with Minta, and I'll see you on the next video.